Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Wells Fargo Mobile Check Deposit. This service allows you to deposit checks into your account using your smartphone, making it a convenient and time-saving option for managing your finances. To get started, you will need to download the Wells Fargo mobile banking app from the App Store on your device. Once you have downloaded and installed the app, you can log into your account using your username and password. After logging in, navigate to the deposit option and select Mobile Deposit. You will then be prompted to take a picture of the front and back of the check you want to deposit. Make sure the check is endorsed with your signature and the words "for mobile deposit only." Place the check on a flat surface and take a clear picture of the front and back, making sure all four corners are visible. The app will guide you through the process, ensuring the images are clear and legible. Once you have taken the pictures, enter the check amount and select the account you want to deposit the check into. Review the deposit details to ensure everything is accurate. Then submit the deposit. You will receive a confirmation message once the deposit has been submitted, and the funds will be available in your account according to Wells Fargo's deposit availability policy. Some best practices to keep in mind when using mobile check deposit include ensuring the check is properly endorsed, taking clear pictures of the check, and verifying the deposit details before submitting. It is also important to keep the check in a safe place for at least 5 days after depositing, in case it is needed for verification purposes. In conclusion, using Wells Fargo Mobile Check Deposit is a fast and easy way to deposit checks into your account. By following these steps and best practices, you can take advantage of this convenient service and manage your finances on the go.